Welcome back to another video, guys. So this quick video, what we're going to do is talk about how to get the sound from your PS4, which is sitting right up there on that ledge. And I'm using a projector, so those of you that have projectors, I do not have an attic space up there, and how to get the sound from the PS4 to the projector down to the big screen here without using any Bluetooth. So what I have is an FM transmitter, which I bought a little antenna for about $8. That silver telescoping antenna back there behind the stereo receiver. I have the tuner set to 88.9, and if you'll see up top there, the little antenna sticking up, I have an FM transmitter set to the same frequency of 88.9. I got a 3.5 millimeter jack that goes down and plugs into the audio out on the back of this projector, and it works great. I was having a little bit of problem with the Bluetooth connectivity because I do have a Fire Stick already connected up to it, but anyways, I don't have any problem with lag of sound or anything in that nature, and everything seems to be working great. I have two bookshelf speakers and a center speaker and a subwoofer. I don't like to wear headphones, so anyways, no lag in sound, everything is crystal clear. So if you're having problems with Bluetooth, especially in this particular setup where I don't have any attic space to run any sound wires, and I'm not going to run anything down the walls, this is a great alternative to get sound from a projector, which I happen to have hooked up to the PS4, and it works great. No lag sound or anything of that nature. Works great. No worries.
Get over here. Yes, boss. You two right up ahead. Make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
So anyways, just a little quick video. Might be interesting to some of you guys out there. Have a great afternoon. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.